Assalamu alaikum. Today topic here we learn about singular and their plural for primary classes, especially focus on small children in which they look and say. The first one is rose. One rose. In that word we only added s and make the plural. Two roses. There are two roses, that is why we increase s, added by s, and two roses become plural. One egg is singular and we only added by s with x, or that we make our plural. Two eggs, very simple, only added x and we make eggs as a plural. Two egg is a plural. Now the word is one cat. One cat. We only added s with word cat and became the plural easily. Three cats is the plural of cats. Three cats is plural. And now the word is one box. When there is a x in the word or noun of anything, we added by es, not s. We added es because there is x in the end. Whenever x in the end, we make es and make plural boxes, two boxes. One insect is the singular, and I think we add s and make the plural. One insect is singular and two insects is the plural. Only added s and make the plural. Two insects. One bench is the singular. When there is a ch in the end of a word, we make plural by adding es on the end of the word. Two benches is the plural and we add es and the word bench became benches as a plural. One fox is the singular and there is x in the end of the word. We must add es to make the plural. So there is three foxes. We add es and make the plural of foxes. Three foxes is the plural. Now the word is one bus. One bus is the singular, and if there is a s in the word and we make es at the end, so we added es and make the plural, and the plural is two buses. Two buses is the plural. And the word is one peach, and there is also ch in the end of a word. When there is a ch in the end of the word, we must add it by es to make the plural. So the plural is two peaches. Peaches. We add es and make plural. Two peaches is the plural of. So one horse is the singular, and we simply add s and make the plural. One horse and three horses. So three horses is the plural and we add only s and make the plural. Three horses is the plural. One hand is the singular. You understand? There is a very simple word and we only added s and make the plural. Two hands. Two hands is the plural because we only add s in the end of the word and make the plural. Two hands. One boy is the singular. I think only added by s and make the plural of one boy, and the plural make is three boys. We added simply s in the end of the word and make the plural. Three boys, plural. One much is the singular and we simply added es because we understand that there is a need ch added by es then make the plural. So 4 watches is the plural, and we added es in the word of watch and make the plural 4 watches. There is a girl, a small innocent girl. I think girl is a simple word and we only added s and make the plural. 2 girls is the plural of the word, so added by s and make the plural very easily and simply. The next word is one burush. Burush is the singular. I think whenever there is a sh in the end of the word, we add it by es and make the plural. So 4 bushes. We add es and make the plural of the bushes. 4 bushes is the plural. So thank you for joining us. Like, subscribe, and please press the bell icon for latest information.